It's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. This is the little splash dish I did in the previous video where the tips didn't fully get filled up. So I'm going to repair the last one and I'm going to show you how it's done. Now normally I'd just put this back in the mold, and before I put it back in there I'd drop a little UV resin in those little points and then put this back in there and then put it under my UV light and it would cure up just fine. But this thing is near impossible to get back in this mold, so that's not gonna work. So we're just gonna do it freehand. This is some yes, this is the BS resin, which is a resin I really like, and I've got, this is a UV flashlight. It's really weak, but it's what we got, so we're going to work with it. Alright. Now, this is kind of tricky. Firstly, I'm just going to put a drop and hit it with the light right away. Turning it so that it doesn't drip. Like I said, it is tricky, but it can be done. Stop turning the flashlight back off, Lynn. Alright, then I'm going to add the next layer, but I'm going to start as you can see, it's already starting to form that little drop. And so I'll just do this 3 or 4 more times till it matches the rest. I know the color doesn't match, but that's really not what we're worried about. If I could remember to quit turning my flashlight back off. Now, if my flashlight was a bit more powerful, in other words, if it had fresh batteries, this would go a lot quicker. But as you can see, it's relatively easy to do, even on something like this. Okay, now I put 4 more layers on the broken off splash. Then I added a little bit of this. This is the Unicone Art Crushed Crystal Magical Mica. I don't know what to call it, but Magical Mica. It's actually a pigment enhancer. It's this white sparkly. Oh, I love it. I added just a touch of this to a little bitty bit amount of UV resin in a cup and put the last layer on, and I'm telling you, you cannot tell which one was the broken off one, or which 3 were the broken off ones. It was actually these 2 and this one. But it's almost indistinguishable. So it can be done. You can fix almost anything that goes wrong with a resin piece. You just have to be creative. Alright, I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.